guys, it's me Edrea. Welcome back to another video. Happy Vlogmas Day. I'm going to be showing you guys how I edit my thumbnails. I did a Vlogmas yesterday without a thumbnail, so we're gonna edit that. So without further ado, let's get on with the video. So thumbnail is practically what the viewers is clicking when they see your titles. So those two are examples of thumbnails which will attract your viewers to watch that video. Okay, so first order of business is to watch that video and then highlight some clips. So clips that I have chosen from the video. This is the one that's currently the thumbnail that YouTube chose, and these are some clips that I screenshotted. So the first option is this one, which you can see my sister's face and then my face. So we're going to choose this to go to PicsArt. Then we crop it. I'm gonna go to draw and then select this one and then change the color to white. And then we're gonna outline it. So all of my videos have an outline. All have an outline. This is how I do it. I do it manually on my phone. So if you guys see a white outline in the video, it means that I spent time highlighting or outlining it. If you follow the actual shape, it looks bad. So in order to fix that, we're going to just go over the head and create our own design so that it looks much appealing to the viewers. So there, that's one. Then my sister. Just go to 0 because it's easier. So I also did an editing video last year for Vlogmas, and it was about how I edited my green screen before. Okay, so like for me, the hardest thing in editing thumbnails is doing the outline. It takes so much time and effort to go over the shapes. Okay, and then we apply it. Parts. Okay, so I added another photo so it looks much more presentable, since the one before is just bland and it's just a picture and there was no detail of what we were eating. Add some shadow. There we go. When it comes to adding text or titles, you want it to be big and bold so that the viewers can easily identify what the video is about. The next app we're using is Canva. And then this is Vlogmas Day 1, Day 2, and this one is Day 3. So this one. There we go. And then we're gonna put it here. Let's do spacing. Yeah, like that. And then when designing thumbnails, it's important to play around with the text so that you can identify where it's the best position possible. Let's add some text. Adding fun phrases can also be an additional insight to your video. Again, utilizing the canvas features, we're using effects, which is the outline and the shape, both of which create this effect on the text. In a design, you have to consider the spaces and the positions of your text so that it could have this appeal. This is the before and after.